Lands of the living wild. In the heart of Africa, where the earth meets the sky, a kingdom of giants roams. Here, elephants walk with grace, their ancient footsteps echoing across the vast savannah. The tallest of creatures, giraffes, reach high into the treetops, gathering what only they can touch. Majestic, serene, they stand as guardians of the plains. At dawn's first light, the rhinoceros lumbers through the grass, powerful and unyielding, as the sun rises behind them, casting long shadows on the land they protect. In this world, survival is a daily battle. The lioness, queen of the savannah, moves silently through the tall grass, her eyes locked on her prey. Every step calculated, every breath measured. And when speed is needed, there is none faster than the cheetah. Built for the chase, it explodes across the open plains, a blur of muscle and instinct. In the cloak of night, the elusive leopard stalks from the trees, its eyes glowing, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. In the dance of life, patterns emerge. The zebras move in unison, their black and white stripes blending together in perfect harmony, each stripe telling a story of survival, of family, of life in the wild. Buffalo, with their sheer strength and unity, move across the plains, their powerful bodies unshaken by the world around them. They march together, a force to be reckoned with, no predator daring to break their bond. And in the quiet of the earth, the meerkat stands watch, a vigilant guardian in a world filled with danger, but also with great beauty. As the sun sets and the shadows grow long, new rulers take their place on the savannah. The night belongs to the hyena, whose laughter echoes in the distance as they claim their territory under the cover of darkness. In the shadows, the African wild dogs work as one, their movements synchronized, their strategy flawless, as they outsmart even the most cunning of prey. And below the still waters, the crocodile waits, silent, patient, its yellow eyes barely visible above the surface, poised to strike with deadly precision. High above, the skies belong to the vultures, who soar effortlessly, scanning the land below for signs of life and death. They are the keepers of balance in this vast ecosystem. On the ground, the ostrich, though flightless, races across the savannah with surprising speed and grace, its long legs carrying it far and fast through the wide open plains. Together, they command the air and the land, each playing their part in the grand cycle of life in the wild. The rivers are lifelines that flow through this land, where giants come to drink and cool themselves under the hot African sun. At the water's edge, the hippopotamus finds solace, submerged in the cool depths, their massive bodies almost weightless as they float beneath the surface. But danger always lurks beneath. The crocodile, master of patience, waits for the perfect moment to strike, reminding us that even in the calm, the wild is never truly safe. In this untamed world, life is a constant battle. But it is also a dance, a balance between predator and prey, between the hunter and the hunted. The lions, the cheetahs, the zebras, and the buffalo each play their part in the great circle of life. From the highest peaks to the deepest rivers, their stories unfold, written in the earth, the sky, and the water. Here, in the lands of the living wild, we are reminded of nature's greatest truth, that we are all connected, the animals, the land, the water, the sky, and us. As we leave this kingdom of giants, predators, and prey, let us carry its lessons with us, lessons of strength, of endurance, and of harmony. Because in the wild, life is not just about survival, it's about thriving, and together we must ensure that this land and all who call it home continue to thrive for generations to come.